Hey guys, this is how to play Dota 2 on repeat.gg. So first thing that you will do is go to repeat.gg, and from here guys, just simply log in into your account if you have one, or just simply sign up if you don't have an account, and you can sign up with PlayStation Network, Google, Facebook, or email. So it will be depending on you. So now guys, once you are logged in, just simply click on this and go ahead and go for desktop. And from here, you'll be able to see Dota 2. So click on this. And from here right away, you will see all of the tournaments that are available. And mostly they are free entry. So from here, you will have multiple options. So let's say I'm going to go for this one. And from here, guys, when you click on add a game over here, you'll be able to connect your Steam and click on log into your account. And after that, just simply provide your email and password to connect your Repeat GG and your Dota 2 account. And once you have done that, guys, automatically you will be joining the tournament. And when you click on the prize pool over here, you should be able to see on how much you will earn if you rank number 1, 2, 3, and so on. So this is the prize pool. And if you go over here, you will see the scoring. So guys, as you can see, when you win, you will get 40 points, assist 4 points, and so on. And when you go to the rules, you'll be able to see the rules as well. And when you go to the leaderboard, you should be able to see who is the number 1 and what place you are on. So there you go. Just simply connect your account and you'll be able to get potentially earn money on Repeat GG. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.